What's going on, Street Drip? Welcome back to the channel. Man, we got some terrible sad news. As you can see here, the front lip is cracked. Man, so annoying. It lasted longer than I thought, but that's all right. It's just material. So what we did, we went ahead and swapped out this cheap Amazon one, which I knew wasn't gonna last. It was just temporary for the looks to hold me down. But we went ahead and got the big boy. We got the Maxton over here. As you can see, this one's the V2 splitter. So we're gonna get this installed today. Take this old one out. I have honestly no clue how this thing broke. We didn't hit anything. We never drove over anything. Never felt any cracks. You know, the sound of the crack or anything like that. It was pretty strange the way it happened. Just came out and the car was like that. I don't know if somebody broke it, they were hating and just kind of went by and stepped on it with their foot. But either way, that's where we are today. Everything happens for a reason, and we're here with a fresh new lip to get this nice look. Don't worry about the car, it's very dirty. We've had snow, rain, and you name it, so the car's pretty nasty looking. We're gonna get that cleaned after we get this installed, and we get a nice walk around for you guys. So stick around, stay tuned. That's what we're going to be working on today. Enjoy it. All right, so we got the car lifted up there on both sides, as you can see, and just getting a little better look. Man, it's like a clean cut. There's no like tears, smooth. This definitely looks like somebody was hating and kind of just stepped on it right here and it cracked. Because the way it cracked, that definitely doesn't look like a natural crack. But like I said, it's all good. We're gonna get this replaced. I put it up on 2 jack stands so that way we can get, you know, pretty good clearance under there. And I'm just gonna unscrew this bad boy out and we're gonna take a look at what the V2 looks like. All right guys, so we got the old one down, took out all the screws. The double-sided tape was kind of annoying, just pulling that back, but that wasn't too bad. But this is what it looks like. Like I said, this is the cheap Amazon one, and it's a 3-piece. So you have the middle piece there, and then you got these 2 flares on the end. Also, another thing you want to notice, if you're in the Northeast or anywhere where you do get snow, I don't know if you can see that there, these cheap screws that it came with are rust. So luckily I didn't have this on too long, where the screws probably would have just rusted off on its own and fell off. But that's not what happened here. Like I said, that's something completely different. As you can see there, it was a clean break. So to me, I don't know, comment below, let me know. To me, it looks like pressure was put up top here and cracked it, versus this cracking on its own, especially the way you can see there's no, you know, frays on the edges here and even over there as well. So that's what I think happened. But like I said, nonetheless, we're about to put this bad boy Maxton on and let's get to the next step. All right guys, there it is. Got this thing on. It's a little dark, but we're gonna go out and get a car wash and I'll show you guys the full look and pan out from a distance so you can see how it looks. But I'm satisfied with it. I love the way it looks. Came out really clean and fits perfectly. Can't go wrong. Once again, Maxton kills it. Similar style lip to mine, which has that little groove indent, which I love. Kind of looks like the Batman Aventador. So I like the way that came out, and it doesn't stick out too far. It's just right. It gives it that OEM plus look, which is what I like and what I was looking for. So we're gonna go give this thing a wash, go outside nice and bright, and give you guys a better look on how it looks, so stick around. Alright guys, so there you have it. We got a nice fresh car wash, as you can see here, looking lovely under that sun. Got a nice little pond over here, but check it out, that's how it came out. I think it came out super clean. Like I said, I love the way this looks. It gives it that OEM plus look, just right, just the way I like it. Let's take a look back here, see how that looks. See how that pokes out there. Really, really clean. It's not overdone. I think it came out just right. So comment below, let me know what you guys think of the new lip. Again, this is the Maxton Design V2 for the front splitter for the M340. I think it came out really nice. It matches the wheels, puts everything all together, and I love that gloss that it has on it. And this gloss is protected from the sun and also from other types of damage in the weather. But man, she looks clean. Super sick. Let's take it back here. Look at that. Really, really nice. So yeah, thanks to the hater who cracked it. And just to let you know, it's not the wife. I know y'all probably gonna comment saying the wife did it, but she doesn't drive like that. I taught her better, and I see how she drives. I know how she drives, and she actually takes more care on turns and on those speed bumps and all that. She takes more care than I do, so I definitely know it's not her, and she definitely would have fessed up as well. So yeah, don't think about commenting, blaming it on her, because it wasn't. But let me know what you guys think, guys. Comment down below, like, subscribe, comment, Street Drip. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching. We out.